Good morning. Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I'm George Johnson, the Bonanza man with Carolina Aircraft, and we're here to look at a gorgeous 2006 Turbo-Normalized G36 Bonanza, November 261 Romeo Bravo. Let's take a look. November 261 Romeo Bravo has 2,180 hours total time since factory new. This engine only has 1,485 hours since factory new and 355 hours since a complete top overhaul with brand new cylinders. In addition to this is the IO 550 300 horsepower engine, and it has the Tornado Alley Turbo Whirlwind 3 conversion with the Rammer 2 intercooler. As you can see, it also has turbo gammy injectors, the B&D standby alternator, and a lot of the great performance enhancements that the G36 can offer. 261 Romeo Bravo has the 3-blade Hartzell hot prop. It also has LED landing lights, taxi lights, and LED strobe lights. With Turbo-Normalizing, this Bonanza will go to 20,000 feet. And at that altitude, you have barren performance, almost 200 knots at cruise on about 16.5 gallons an hour. Now, the airplane also has the DeShannon 20-gallon tip tanks, which gives you 114 gallons of usable fuel and a great range, almost 7 hours of range with this airplane. Take a look at this beautiful exterior paint job. This airplane's DeSoto white overall with black metallic and light saddle metallic stripes. I would rate it about an 8 to a 9 on a scale of 10, which is almost like new. One of the favorite features about the A36 and G36 Bonanza is the large double cargo doors and reversible club seating. Let's take a look. These doors open up nice and easily to give you a lot of access. And you can see we've got the reversible club seating. These center seats can actually be turned around forward facing if everybody wants to face forward. And these rear seats can be either folded up, as simple as this, or removed by pulling these two pins. And then you have from here back for cargo like an SUV. Take a look at the condition of this beautiful original interior. Take a look at the condition of the seats. These are in great condition. The cabin table and side walls, we've got cup holders, G&T tinted window interpanes. The condition of the headliner. We've got eyeball outlets and reading lights for every seat. We've got an intercom system and even oxygen from every seat in this airplane. November 261 Romeo Bravo has the latest in G1000 glass panels. This airplane has been upgraded to the G1000 NXI glass panel. It has the Garmin GFC 700 flight control system with altitude and vertical speed pre-select, GPS steering, WAAS, synthetic vision. In addition, it has the FlightStream 510 Bluetooth integration, GDL69A XM weather and music, Skywatch active traffic, the Garmin GTX 345R transponder for ADS-B in and out, subscription-free ADS-B traffic and weather. The G1000 NXI upgrades include dual-core processors providing faster, crisper, and higher resolution displays, LED backlighting, this makes the display easier to read, Garmin wireless connectivity, wirelessly upload databases and flight plans, HSI mapping, which displays mapping, terrain, traffic, and weather directly on the pilot's PFD, Safe Taxi and Surface Watch displays ground and runway traffic, 3-color terrain contouring for better terrain mapping, WAAS, synthetic vision, and vertical situation display providing a 3D map for situational awareness. November 261 Romeo Bravo has the ultimate in G36 performance enhancements. The 1,237-pound useful load allows you to put 1,000 pounds in the cabin and still fly about 2 hours, or 800 pounds in the cabin for about a 4-hour flight, or with full fuel about 540 pounds in the cabin for a 7-hour flight. Other features you will enjoy are factory air conditioning, the hydraulic door Steward, AM-safe airbag seatbelt system, built-in oxygen, and lots of other great equipment. If you want a great buy in a turbo-normalized G36 Bonanza, you need to come look at 261 Romeo Bravo. This airplane has the Whirlwind 3 turbo-normalizing system and will go to 20,000 feet. It has the Rammer 2 intercooler, factory air conditioning, the Shannon tip tanks, built-in oxygen, and it's been upgraded with the new NXI avionics system. Why pay $1.2 million and wait 2 years for a new G36 when you can buy a 261 Romeo Bravo now, an airplane that is in almost new condition and ready to go with more than $100,000 of performance enhancements that the new G36 will not have. Come visit Carolina Aircraft or give us a call at 336-665-0300. I'm George Johnson, the Bonanza Man. Have a great day.